They say that thumbnails are the most important part of your YouTube video, and I'm beginning to think it's true. Hi, I'm Richard Butler, and I'm here to review a piece of software that you may or may not have heard of, and you may not realize that it does something amazing. Now, I've been on YouTube for many, many years, and I have a small channel which I think it's 1,000 subscribers. I review mainly software, mainly lifetime deals. But while my videos are good and they're watched, I think the one thing that I'm not good at is thumbnails. Now, let me just show you. Let me show you what my channel looked like if I can find the videos that I want to show you. Okay, and I mean this is something that I think is really important to do good thumbnails. Okay, so yeah, here we go. Okay, so if I just share my screen, I want to show you the way my thumbnails were. Okay, so these were my thumbnails that I was doing, and I was using Thumbnail Blaster, which was a great piece of software in its day, but it was all manual. I mean, you would get a template like this or like this, but you would have to then position everything, etc. So I came across a piece of software and it was quite interesting. But what it actually did was, or what it does, is it creates videos for you. But then I discovered that it did something even better, and it creates thumbnails with AI. So if we go up and we start looking here, we start seeing these incredible thumbnails that I think, this is one that I haven't done yet, but this is the typical thumbnail I was creating. But suddenly I've started to create these thumbnails here. And these look a lot better, and I think they look a lot sexier, and they look like a real YouTube channel. Now, one that I'm particularly impressed with is this one here. This is a camera that I reviewed, Acaso Snap, which is like a little Insta 360 Go. And all I did was I put in text into this generator saying Acaso Snap X camera full review and Insta 360 Go competitor. And it created this thumbnail. Obviously, I uploaded my own picture, but I didn't put in the camera, and it knew to put in the camera itself. So what is this tool? This is called Mootion. And as I said, it is mainly for creating like animated little videos that it animates scenes. But I saw that they had here, you'll see I've been using a lot of credits, that they had AI tools. And it's fantastic. You go in here and you'll see all of the different thumbnails that I've created. Some I didn't like, some I kept moving around. Some I've actually started to use for my LinkedIn page here. Okay, and you see all the different looks of me, but they're all AI generated, because what you do is you upload a thumbnail image, or an image for the thumbnail, should I say. And these are all the images that I have uploaded. Okay, and for example, this one became this image. Okay, this one here was me when I was actually I took a picture of myself on a bridge, and I think I have the picture here, and it made this thumbnail as well. Okay, so it's a really powerful tool, and you just upload